Hello, welcome back to Berdu.id channel. This video is the second part of our affiliate marketing tutorial series. In this second video, we'll show you how to create affiliate links and view affiliate reports. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the Berdu channel, click the like button below, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. Firstly, from your Berdu's website dashboard, navigate to Apps and find the Affiliate Program app. We activated this previously, as discussed in the first video. Keep this tab open and open a new tab, returning to your Berdu dashboard again. Now navigate to Customers and edit a customer you previously registered in the affiliate program. If you haven't done this, please refer to the first video. The link is provided below. If you've already watched the first video, you'll remember we created an affiliate code for a particular customer. Now, how can we use this affiliate link? The affiliate code can be used with any link on your website, such as the homepage link, product links, category links, and more. Let's copy your website link into a text editor as an example. Suppose this is your website link. If there's no question mark at the end of this link, add one right after the slash. After this, insert the query code. You can retrieve this query code from the Affiliate Program app tab we opened earlier. Here, the current query code is affiliate, but you can change it to anything you prefer. Don't forget to save any changes. Then, paste this query code into your link and add an equal sign. Next, copy the affiliate code from the Customer tab, then paste it into this link as well. This will generate the complete affiliate link, suitable for scenarios where the original link didn't have a question mark. In another scenario, if the link already contains a question mark, simply add an ampersand followed by your query code, an equal sign, and then the affiliate code. This may seem confusing initially, but there's an affiliate link generator that your affiliates can use to automatically generate these links. However, understanding this concept manually helps clarify how it works. How do affiliates access this link generator? They first log into your website using the registered affiliate email. Navigate to Affiliate. Then Create Link. Enter the original link, for example, the homepage or specific product link, and the affiliate link will be generated automatically below, complete with the query code and affiliate code you assigned. If you update the original link, the affiliate link will update automatically. Affiliates simply copy and share this generated link. Next, how can we check the affiliate status during a purchase session? Open a new incognito window and enter your website link, followed by /_/check/affiliate. Your link should look like this, with your own domain at the start. If the status here reads None, it means this shopping session isn't using any affiliate code. However, if visitors enter your website through the affiliate link, let's refresh this affiliate check page. Now the status changes, showing the affiliate code and the session start time. As we set in the first video, the affiliate validity period is 30 days. Therefore, the affiliate will only receive commissions for purchases made within 30 days from the session start time listed here. Suppose a website visitor makes a purchase using the affiliate link, and the order is confirmed as paid. You can view this in your admin dashboard under Customers, Affiliate, then Affiliate Program. Here you will see transactions eligible for affiliate commissions. One order might show 2 commissions, as previously explained in the first video, because there are 2 commission conditions set. If a transaction is canceled or refunded, you can mark the commission as invalid by updating its status here. The status will then show as invalid. You can also view this information from the order page. Check the details of the newly created order, and you'll see the affiliate information displayed clearly. That's how to create an affiliate system using links. This concludes the second video in our affiliate tutorial series. In the next video, we'll discuss creating affiliate programs with coupons. Like this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more exciting content. See you in the next video!